Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
First, prepare Vscode and the Kaggle API before downloading any dataset. Install Python and pip if missing on your system. Then run pip install Kaggle in the Vscode terminal to add the official client. Next, sign into Kaggle and download the API token file named Kaggle, JSON to your computer. Create a folder called Kaggle in your home directory and move Kaggle, JSON there. Finally, set file permissions using chmod 600 // Kaggle/Kaggle, JSON to secure the token. Now download the dataset using one command from the Vscode integrated terminal. Open your project workspace folder in Vscode and change to that folder in the terminal. Then run Kaggle datasets download downer/dataset pdata, unzip to fetch and extract files. The D flag uses the exact owner and dataset slug from Kaggle. The pdata option places all files into a data subfolder in your workspace. The unzip option extracts archives automatically for immediate use. Finally, integrate the downloaded files into your code and notebooks inside Vscode. In a Python file or notebook, import pandas and load CSVs with PD, read CSV data/file. CSV using relative paths. Open files directly in the editor to inspect column names and confirm the exact file name. Add the data/folder to git ignore to prevent committing large files into version control. If you need a fresh download, rerun the single Kaggle command to refresh the data quickly and reproducibly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.